to prepare the beef stew, I'm using onion, tomato, beans, carrot, pepper, cinnamon stick, cloves, salt, ginger garlic paste, potato, milk and beef. Since we are doing beef stew, I've made a little bit twist in this. You know I like to make twist, so I'm going to use pork. We're going to prepare pork and beef stew together. So I'm adding some more pork in this. Did the meat first using 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and salt as per required. That's the meat. Now I'll show you what we have to do with this meat. I'm going to put all this in a pressure cooker. Add a little bit of water, about half a cup, and pressure cook this for at least 3 whistles. To prepare the stew, the key ingredient is the macaroni, and without macaroni it is not possible to prepare the stew. So I'm using somewhat this kind of a shape of macaronis to prepare the stew, and I've already left the water about half a liter to boil, and I've added about 7 teaspoons of oil in that, and we are going to do the same procedure have you do for pasta also. We're just going to add the macaroni once the water is boiled, and we're going to keep it pre-cooked ready for that. Water is boiling on the boiling point. Now I'm going to add the macaroni. Guys, let's boil the vegetables aside. First I'm going to boil the potato, and follow to that I'll be using other vegetables that I've cut. I'm boiling potatoes first because they take little extra time. And we add about salt as per the required taste. Potatoes are halfly done. Now I'm using carrot to that. Leave it for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to use the beans to that. The vegetables, macaronis are getting ready on the other side. We'll start with the process of baking the stew. I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of oil. So I'll use 2 inch of cinnamon stick, about 10 cloves. Let it get roast a little bit, and then add onion to it. I've used 2 finely chopped onions, and at the same time using tomato so they can blend very well together. About 1 whole chop of tomato. I'm using 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and again saute this well. Half teaspoon of salt. You can use as per your requirement. Using about 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. You can use crushed pepper as well. So here is the meat that I've already cooked now. I'm going to add the meat in that. I had pressure cooked this for 4 whistles. Let it to be cooled down, and now I'm adding to it. And again mix well. Adding the boiled vegetables. All well together. Juiciness out. I'm using a little bit stock water in left from the meat. A lot of people use cream for the stew to make it look more very thick and nice creamy. I'm using full fat milk. The sauce is completely ready. You see how thick it's become. Very nice, creamy. Now we're going to add the macaroni to that. And once adding the macaroni, if you feel that you need it to have more thicker, you can still add a stock water or milk in that, and can still make it look creamy. Well, all together, cook it for next another 5 to 7 minutes, and then it's ready to be served.